Hey, what's up guys? Dr. Chuck here from Mobile Physio, where I bring you practical tips and tools to keep you moving with confidence. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how the Carbon Ultralight from byACRE navigates curbs like a champ. Its unofficial nickname is the Curb Conqueror. The techniques I'm going to go over in this video, you can use on like a step to get up into someone's house. You can use it on a single step to get onto a porch. It's all the same technique, just to get up onto one step. Obviously, you usually look for the cutout ramp that goes onto sidewalks, but sometimes you have to navigate curbs like this. The cool thing about the Carbon Ultralight and byACRE's other rollators is it does have a built-in curb lifter next to the wheels to make this a lot smoother and minimize as much lifting as possible. Now, I am an affiliate of byACRE and I do earn commissions. In fact, if you're interested in the Carbon Ultralight or any of byACRE's other rollators, I can get you 10% off. All you got to do is DM me on Instagram or you can email me. You can check out my email address and my contact info down in the description below. Either way, I will send you the discount code, okay? Now, I've got 2 ways that you can go up a curb and 3 ways to come down. Now, what works for one person might not work for someone else, so make sure you consult your physical therapist to determine which method is best for you. This is not medical advice. This is just education on the different techniques available with the byACRE rollators.
Now, because the Carbon Ultralight is only 10.6 pounds, some users that have sufficient strength and balance can probably just walk up to the curb, lift the whole rollator up onto the step, and then keep walking. However, 10 pounds is 10 pounds, and that's too much for some people, especially with back pain and balance issues. The second way here, all you got to do is pop a wheelie, put the brakes on, and then just lift the back 2 wheels up onto the curb, and then you're up. This involves very minimal lifting, if any at all. You're really using leverage. You just push down on the built-in curb lifter while simultaneously pulling backwards, and that pops your wheelie. You then walk forwards and then put your brakes on, and then it's just a little lift up onto the curb.
Now, you don't want to put the brakes on until you pop the wheelie because the brakes lock the back wheels, and if you pop the wheelie, if you have the brakes on, you're not going to be able to get the walker up to the curb like you need to do. So keep the brakes off until you get to this part. Then you can put them on for safety. And then that way, once it's up on the curb, it's stable, and then you can almost kind of push down a little bit depending on the height of the curb, and then you're up.
This is a video of my grandma using the same technique with her Carbon Ultralight. She has issues with her back occasionally, so having a technique with minimal lifting is really helpful for her. And as you can see, she really had no trouble navigating that deck. All right, now going down is similar to going up. It's pretty much the reverse. For some people who have sufficient strength and balance, they can just lift the whole thing down as long as they bend their knees and use proper body mechanics. But, you know, that's a little awkward for some people. So you can do more of a stepwise fashion where you put the brakes on, get to the edge, do the front wheels first, and then just kind of inch it forwards until the back wheels come down. And then you can step down and be on your way. Now, for some people, no matter how they go down forwards, it's scary, it's awkward, especially on big steps. So you can go down backwards. Before anybody freaks out, I would recommend having someone guarding behind you, you know, like protecting you from behind. But this is an option because, as you can see, I'm not bending at my waist at all. It's not awkward. There's no lifting the rollator forwards. It's just a step down.
All right, guys, I hope that video was helpful. If you liked this video and found it helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to keep bringing you as many videos as I can to help keep you moving with confidence. Again, if you'd like the code for 10% off Carbon Ultralight or any of byACRE's other rollators, go ahead and contact me via email or Instagram direct message. Thanks for watching and have a great day.